Hello children, how are you all? We are here once again for a new session of computer, and today's topic is number in difference basis and their arithmetical operations. Okay. So in this chapter we will be learning about number system and different types of number system and how to convert one number system to another number system. Okay children, so this is the very important chapter for your board examination, so read this chapter with all concentration. So it's include almost 7 to 8 marks, okay, from this chapter. And in this chapter most probably ask the number system and conversion of a number system. Okay, so let's start the chapter, and the first topic is number system. Okay children, so you know that when we type some letters or word, the computer translate them in a number, as computer can understand only numbers. Only numbers, it means in the form of 0 and 1. You know that computer known what? Only 0 and 1. So a computer can understand the positional number system where there are only a few symbols called digit, and these symbols represent different values depending on the position they occupy in the number. So overall, number system are the technique to represent the number in the computer system. So every value that we are saving or getting into from computer memory has a defined number system. Okay. So in general, we need to represent a number under various number system like decimal number system, base is 10, for binary number system, base is 2, and for octal number system, base is 8, and hexadecimal number system, base is 16. So children, in this chapter we are discussing about these numbers. Okay. First number system is decimal number system. Okay, decimal number system. So in decimal number system, a number is represented by using 10 digits. 10 digit means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Okay, and the base of this number system is 10. Okay, for example, suppose that 2293, okay, and base is 10. So this is the decimal number system. Okay, so decimal number system represented by 10 digits, 0 to 9. Okay, and the base of this number system is a 10. Okay, look at this example for a binary decimal number system. Okay, now next one is binary number system. Binary number system means a binary number system has only two digits, 0 and 1, and every number represent with 0 and 1 in this number system, and the base of this number system is 2. Why? Because it has only two digits. Okay, look at this example, 1011101. So here every number represent with 0 and 1, and the base is 2. So this is the binary number system. Okay, Next one is octal number system. Octal number system. So a number system has only 8 digit. Octal number system has only 8 digit. 8 digit means from 0 to 7, and every number represent with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 in this number system, and the base of this number system is 8 because it has only 8 digit. Okay, look at this example. 4105 and here the base is 8. So this is the octal number system. Okay, now hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. So here hexa means 6 and decimal means 10. Okay, so the base of this number system is a 16. Okay, 16. So a hexadecimal number system has 16 alphanumeric values. Okay, 16 alphanumeric value from 0 to 9, 0 to 9 and A to F. 0 to 9 and A to F. And every number represent with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and A, B, C, D, E and F in this number system. Okay, and the base of hexadecimal number system is a 16. Okay, because it has 16 alphanumeric values. Okay, here A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14 and F is 15. Okay, so this is the basic theory for the number system and its types. Okay, now we have to move on how to convert one number system to another number system. Okay, so first conversion of decimal number into a binary number. Okay, this is the first conversion from decimal to binary number. So how to convert decimal number into a binary number? So we can follow some steps. Okay, so in step number 1, divide the number, a decimal number by 2. Okay, and obtain quotient and remainder. Now in step number 2, divide the quotient by 2 and again obtain the next quotient and remainder. In step number 3, repeat the above step unless quotient becomes 0. Okay, step number 4, the last remainder will be MSB. MSB means most significant bit of the binary number. And the last step, arrange all the remainder from MSB to LSB. Okay, it means from bottom to top. Okay, look at this one example. So in this example, here 25, this is the binary number, and convert this number into a, this is the decimal number. Okay, and convert into a binary number. So look at this example. So 25, so in step number 1, divide the number by 2. 25 means 25. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. Okay, and write the remainder is here. Okay, remainder is 1. Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. Remainder is 0. In next step 2 3 ja 6. Remainder is 0. Now 2 1 ja 2. Remainder is 1. Okay. When this LCM method is completed, then write this quotient value from bottom to top. So this value, this last remainder is known as MSB, most significant bit, and this first remainder is known as LSB, least significant bit. Okay, so we can write the answer from MSB to LSB. Okay, it means the final result will be 1 1 0 0 1 and base 2. It means this is the binary number. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, now the second conversion is from binary number into a decimal number. Okay, this is the second conversion from binary to decimal. Okay, so how to convert a number from binary to decimal? Okay, so we can follow some steps. So in step number 1, multiply each digit of binary number with 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2 respectively from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, of the number, right hand side to the left hand side. Okay, now in step number 2, add all the product to get the equivalent decimal number. Okay, look at this one example. So here the number is 1101 and 01. Okay, so in step number 1, write the binary number 1 1 0 1 0 and 1. Okay, now multiply by these digits by 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3 and so on from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, so look at this, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 5. Okay, so 2 to the power 0, the value is 1, 2 to the power 1 value is 2, 2 to the power 2 it means 4, 2 to the power 3 it means 8, 2 to the power 4 it means 16 and 2 to the power 5 it means 32. Okay, now multiply by this value from this binary number, means 1 multiply by 1. Okay, now 2 is multiplied by 0, now 4 is multiplied by 1 and 0 is multiplied by 8, 16 is multiplied by 1 and 32 is multiplied by 1. Okay, now add all these number. So 1 into 1 it means 1, 2 into 0 it means 0, 4 into 1 it means 4, then 16 in 8 into 0 it means 0, 16 into 1 means 16 and 32. Okay, after add all this number, the final result will be 53 and base 10. So this is the decimal number system. Okay, so this is the second method. Okay, convert a binary number into a decimal number. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much.